Hello everybody, this is Monday, August the 7th. Can you believe one whole week of August has already gone by? I think this month's gonna go fast if you ask me. Well, I have an unboxing for you, and as you can tell, I got a super short haircut, not on purpose, and actually today it doesn't look too bad, but yesterday it looked horrible, believe me. Okay. I live in a really old house. My house was built in 1898. So, old houses do not have a lot of plugs in the walls. Mine does not. So, my last surge protector, apparently I had a can of pop sitting on my end table, and the cats, I heard a big pop. I was in the other room. And I think the cats knocked the pop over onto the surge protector, and it went pop. And luckily the stuff I had plugged into it still works. Surge protector, I threw it out. Hopefully my plug is okay. I never really checked the plug in the wall, but my house is wired, let me tell you, I have stuff plugged in a million places. My plugs look like the National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. And when he had all those things plugged into the wall. So I was on Amazon yesterday, and they had a lightning deal for a surge protector. Let me see if I do not have my scissors. I'm trying to open this with a pin. And to me, it looked like a pretty good deal. It was, I want to say it was like $19. It is a mega surge protector. This puppy has 18 outlets, 3 USB, and 1 USB-C. Now, if this doesn't help me, my gosh, I don't know what's going to. So, as you can see, this is how it came. The only thing I don't like about it is I don't like these flat plugs, because unless you plug it on the very bottom, you can't plug anything on the top that has like a box. It's got to be a regular plug, which if it didn't have so many plug-ins on here, I wouldn't have got it because of this plug. I do not like those round plug-ins at all. But I couldn't resist 18 outlets. Look at that. Wow. That is a lot of outlets. Plus, it's pretty slim. It's a lot thinner than my last one. There is those plugs. And I think it has does it have an 8-foot cord? I want to say 8-foot cord. I'm not sure. I don't know if this tells it. It does not. I don't know. Does that look, how many feet does that look like? I'm not sure. It does have a user manual. Let's get that back in the box. Let's see. Don't pour pop on it. Power rating 1875W. When the power rating of the device is over 1000 W, directly plug it into an existing wall outlet. We do not suggest using the power strip. I don't think I have anything like that, except a floor heater, and I don't do that. When the power is on, there will be a spark around the plugging point. This is a normal thing. To prevent this from happening, power off the power strip and power it on after it's plugged in. I do that anyway. Let's see. Yeah. Do not use, 8 foot. That was another plus, because what's the, my plug that I'm going to plug this into is behind the couch. So it's basically about in the middle of my couch. I don't know why I'm talking like a frog. So if this has a 6-foot cord, it wouldn't help me much because I'm not going to be able to reach it because half of it's going to be behind the couch. So this is great. I can't wait to use this. Plug all my stuff in. Ever since the pop incident, I've had to plug my Alexa in someplace around the corner and it can't hear me. I had to plug my scanner in someplace else. My fan, my cord stretched across the room. This has been a pain in my butt ever since those cats did that. And it has been probably at least 3 weeks that I have lived like that since they poured the pop on my power strip. So, and another reason why I bought this is because I have another unboxing, but I'm going to do that separate. I'm going to let you, you won't guess what it is. You won't, I know you won't. But that's one of the other reasons that I got this big power strip. So that was my quick unboxing. My lunchtime is over. I've got to go back to work. And I got some other stuff I need to do some videos on, but I'll have to do that at home when I'm not working. So today I got an hour lunch. They're out of town at a clinic. I stayed during lunch. I wasn't going anywhere. That's why I wore red. Red is not my favorite color, and I hardly ever wear this outfit. It's just that I knew I wasn't going to Walmart at lunch, and I was just going to stay here and go home tonight, so it didn't matter if I wore this or not. So, okay, that's my unboxing of this power strip, and I think the name, what is the name of this? The model is NBW 903, and the brand is, however you say that word, Powsav. I guess. There is the specifics. I don't know if you can read backwards, but if you can, there you go. All right, guys. Getting back to work. I will do some videos later. I got a Stitch Fix coming. I have another unboxing here and some stuff to tell you and a review. So I got some stuff to do. All right. Thanks for watching.